Hello, welcome back to our channel. I am Hannah and today I will be reacting to the winner of VIDBIR 2025, the Ukrainian national finale for Eurovision. The winner is Ziferblat, which I love, with the song Bird of Prey. So I've heard the studio version, which I love, and now I get to see the live version. So before I do so, make sure to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell. And without further ado, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ziferblat. Oh. The beginning is so good already. Wow. Oh, this is awesome. Wow. I have so much to say already, but first of all, the vocals are there, which I hoped. I am surprised that it's a female singer. The vocals there in the beginning are perfect, and I love the costuming. It's so ingenious and nuanced. Did not see that coming, but it works with the vibe very well. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, okay, yeah. So the song works. It's such an interesting stage. The scenery, it's like a little garden, and it works so well with the song. It really brings out the vulnerability of the song, I think. I think the vocals are really good. I am so happy because it really evokes the feeling that I had listening to the song that transfers on stage. You know, the vulnerability, the love that is there, the intimacy that I'm surprised they're able to create on stage. I think it's because of the garden. Oh, and then I love this. Wow. Oh, and I just have to say before the chorus starts again, the chorus is definitely my favorite part. I think you can just tell that the audience is just soaking this up, and the lead singer is so good at keeping your attention. You know, you're pulled into what is going on here. I love that they were able to transfer it onto stage. Wow. Wow. Oh, so this is surprising to me. It's more intense than it was in the studio version, which is really cool. Like it makes the stage show more dynamic with the background lights that is going on here. Wow. Oh, okay. What they did there, love that they put the light directly on him, and you get like it's stripped back and you only hear his voice, and then you get the build up to the chorus again. Oh, cool! Wow. Wow, and look at the background. Now it's like mimics a brand new day almost, and then you get the singing of the female in the background. And I love that they, you know, with the costuming, you see that the lead singer has a combination of blue and purple, and then that the women has this like lavender color, and then you have the guitarist in almost like a plum aubergine color, which I feel is a combination of some of the flowers in the meadow surrounding them, which really brings, it feels like you're in the meadow with them singing. I love that visual work step. Oh, look at him. Oh, Ziferblat. Congratulations. I'm so happy. I think it was very well deserved. Of course, I thought so, but when you see, you can't know until you see it live, and they did a great performance live. I can't wait to see this again. They have my vote. I am definitely a fan, and I'm so happy that they got through this year, because you know they almost made it last time. So congratulations, Ziferblat. Ukraine, you have a great artist band representing you this year, and I can't wait to see what's next. What do you guys think? Do you agree with me? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you have another favorite from this year's VIDBIR, and we have more reaction videos in the comment section below, so make sure to check that out. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell, and I hope you like this video. Till next time, bye.